He's already hung at a kitten.
I know he is.
He's gonna hurt something awful. He becomes an adult. Babe, why did you screw it up?
I didn't mean to. I was trying to help it out a little bit.
There you go. Big head. That thing was already fully extended.
Hell yeah, it was. But it only takes him 3 seconds. That's probably why it's already done. She did her thing, licked it a couple times, and
Her face.
Oh, stop. Diesel. Mammy.
This thing's fully out, babe.
It was gross, babe. That was funny.
Come on.
She's like, alright, now I'm tired. I gave him head, I'm done.
No, she's like, I'm embarrassed to death by my daddy.
You guys fight with each other.
Now's your turn to eat her out.
Yep.
You gotta leave it before you stick it. Don't look at me like that. No, eat pussy. Sorry.
Come on, you guys are boring.
So gave him a...
No, she's passed out. Shouldn't it be the other way around?
Oh, you're so silly. You made me crack up. We need porn. We need to watch us.